Hello everyone, it's Lauren Diffendorfer, and today we will be discussing choking in infants. Choking is a common preventable cause of cardiac arrest. The correct response for a choking person depends on the degree of airway obstruction, whether the person is responsive or not, and the age of the person. A mild obstruction is characterized by breathing but may also be wheezing, coughing, and making noise. You can treat it by staying with the infant and trying to keep them calm. Do not perform a blind finger sweep and calling 911 if the person seems to be getting worse. A severe obstruction is characterized by weak or no cough, unable to make noise or talk, or making a high-pitched noise, little to no breathing, or cyanotic. To help this condition, you can use alternating chest thrusts and back slaps. Call 911 and begin BLS if the person becomes unresponsive. Assess if the obstruction is visible, and if so, remove it. In a choking but responsive infant less than 1 year old, back blows and chest thrusts are used instead of the Heimlich maneuver. To provide back blows and chest thrusts, do the following. Hold the infant in your lap. Put the infant with their face down and their head lower than their chest. They should be resting on your forearm, and put your forearm on your thigh. Support the infant's head and neck with your hand, and be sure to avoid putting pressure on their throat. Use the heel of your free hand, deliver 5 back blows between the infant's shoulder blades. Then, using both hands and arms, turn the infant face up so they're now resting on your other arm that is also resting on your thigh. Make sure the infant's head is lower than their chest. Use the fingers of your free hand. Provide up to 5 quick downward chest thrusts over the lower half of the breastbone. Perform 1 thrust every second. If the obstruction is not relieved, turn the infant face down on your other forearm and repeat the process. Continue doing these steps until the infant begins to breathe or becomes unresponsive. If the infant does not begin breathing, continue to provide CPR and rescue rest until help arrives. Don't forget we offer online BLS certification. We encourage you to become certified as soon as possible, whether that be on your own time in a classroom or with an online course. Catch us next time for our next webinar, and thanks for tuning in today. Bye guys.